If you're looking for a Coursera subscription deal in 2026, you may be wondering what the best way to save on Coursera Plus actually is. In this video, I'll explain the current offer and why many learners consider it one of the best values available. You'll find a link in the description below where you can check the latest Coursera Plus discount and see whether the current promotion is still available. Right now, eligible new subscribers can get Coursera Plus Annual for just $239 instead of the regular $399. That's a 40% discount, bringing the cost to less than $20 per month when billed annually. With Coursera Plus, you get access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from leading companies and universities including Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and many others. Instead of paying separately for individual courses, one subscription allows you to learn across multiple subjects and earn unlimited certificates throughout the year. Whether you're interested in artificial intelligence, business, programming, data science, cybersecurity, marketing, or project management, Coursera Plus gives you the flexibility to build valuable skills at your own pace. For people planning to complete several programs during the year, the annual subscription often provides much better value than buying courses one at a time. Another advantage is that every certificate you earn can be added to your LinkedIn profile and resume, helping you showcase your knowledge and professional development to employers. So if you're trying to find the best way to save on Coursera Plus in 2026, the current subscription deal could make this one of the smartest times to join. And if you'd like to check the latest deal for yourself, you'll find the discount link in the description below.